Hey everyone! If you work with laser cutting or engraving, you've probably heard or should have heard about the famous LightBurn. It's one of the most trusted software options for those who want real results. And today, I'm introducing the brand new version, 2.0.00, completely redesigned. If you're still using a trial version or don't have LightBurn at all, don't worry. I'm offering the exclusive LightBurn Pro license with full support during installation, fast and hassle-free. This new version brings some amazing upgrades. Starting with the new look, it's way more modern now with redesigned buttons and a clean, professional interface. Performance has also been boosted, giving you faster and smoother operation. Navigation is simpler with everything better organized and easier to find. The layer system has been improved too, making it much easier to control your projects. Plus, LightBurn now supports even more laser machine models. And of course, there were those fine-tuned adjustments that increase precision and stability. All of this was made for professionals who want the best laser workflow possible. If you want more speed, better quality, and full control over your laser projects, LightBurn Pro version 2.0.00 is for you. Stop wasting time on limited versions. Get your license now with trusted support and quick installation. Just reach out and start creating like a true expert. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.